The SMS desktop software provides tools to help you build generic datasets not recorded in the field with the display. This allows users to build datasets that represent many different operations such as tile lines or inner boundaries. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create new generic datasets based on another dataset already contained in the management tree. To begin, create a new map that you would like to base your new generic layer on. In this example, we will be creating a new generic layer that shows the waterways in the field. So, we will create a map of the field boundary and leave an aerial map displayed in the map background. Set the transparency to a desired level to display the waterways behind the boundary. Now, go to the File menu and select New Generic Layer. Or, click on the layer icon in the mapping toolbar, then select New Generic Layer. Select Generic as the operation, then click OK. The Generic Editor window will now open. You can use the action tools to select or add new polygon lines or points. To include one of the reference layers in the new generic layer, use Copy from Layer tool under the Special Tools section. If we wanted to cut the waterways in this field out of the boundary layer we are referencing, we will choose Copy from Layer, then select the boundary layer. Click Next. In the Select Layer Object window, the entire boundary layer is selected. If you wish to only edit a portion of this boundary, click Select Intersection. Then use Selection tools. We will leave the entire boundary selected for this example. Click Next. Since we are simply referencing a boundary, select Copy Spatial Data. Click Finish. Once the layer has been copied, we can use the Polygon tool to manually draw the location of the waterways. The Zoom tools are available to allow for more precise drawing. Once you have drawn the waterway, you can select it and choose to delete the selection so the area inside the waterway is not included in your field area total. Once you have created the desired objects and made all necessary modifications, click the Save button. Set the desired management settings and click OK. Click Close to exit the generic editor. The new dataset will now be available to view in the management tree, create maps of, view summary information, and include in reports and queries. You have now learned to create generic Polygon data and save the new generic layer. If you would like to see more short tutorials from AgLeader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.